तुम्हारा एग्जाम था ना? कैसे गया एग्जाम? क्यों गया, कैसे गया? बुरा गया क्या? अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके, वेट वेट वेट, आई वोंट आस्क यू तुम्हारा एग्जाम कैसे गया, बट जस्ट हियर मी आउट। आओ बैठो। हाँ, you could be either sad, happy, or somewhere in the middle with the way the exam went, and that's fine. You're always allowed to feel things. After all, this was such a big part of your life. But do you know the best part was that it was just a part of your life. So तुम्हें लगता है इतने सारे videos analysis पे देखना, लोगों के reactions पे देखना, लोगों का reaction to the exam देखना, do you really think that makes sense right now? Is that even in the slightest going to change the way things are? Change your result? Change what happened during the exam? Could be तुम्हारा exam अच्छा गया हो, could be तुम्हारा exam went absolute shit, or it could also be कि तुम्हारा एक section अच्छा गया and the consequence section was a disaster. And if today you think कि तुम्हारा एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं गया या फिर you could have done better, allow yourself to feel those things. Everybody feels that way. Even the topper feels that way. And that's because of this very stupid thing called imposter syndrome. You will never ever feel कि तुम्हारा best भी best है. And you know why? It's because you've trained yourself to do what the grades do and to truly devote yourself to things that matter. And उसके बाद भी जब things don't go your way, I know it hurts. Why shouldn't it hurt? It means that you truly felt deeply about this and you should be so proud of yourself. I know it's very freaking devastating जब तुम अपना 100% देते हो पर because of circumstances or plain luck, things don't go the way that you want. But what can you do about it? Well, there's two things that you can do. Two very separate things, and depending on what you do, it will separate you from being either a part of the greats or a part of people who just live to live. They just exist. You can either wallow and feel very sad about yourself and feel कि यार मेरी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होता है, सब इतना अचीव कर रहे हैं, मेरे से एक एग्जाम नहीं हुआ, आई एम जस्ट नॉट मेड फॉर दिस शिट, आई एम गिविंग अप, दैट्स इट, आई एम डन, एंड overthink the hell out of it. Or you let your shortcoming fuel you and you say कि तो क्या हुआ अगर इस बार ये अच्छा नहीं गया, या फिर तो क्या हुआ अगर इस बार ये बहुत अच्छा गया. This does not define what I'll do in the future. This also does not define my worth in the present. All this does is ignite my passion to do even better, to be way better than who I was today. Do you want a pro tip? I'll give you a pro tip. Cry. In case तुम्हारा attempt बेकार गया है, cry. If somebody tells you that, oh, don't cry, it was just an exam, you and I both know कि it was not just an exam. It was something that you worked for endlessly. Tireless, sleepless nights, wasting away at your health, your relations, and because it did not go in your favor, of course, you feel like shit. Everybody feels like shit. So cry, so that you let all your emotions out abhi hi. And then turn those tears into fuel for doing better. There is no point in bottling up your emotions. If anything, that's only going to affect you later on. Nobody knows your worth better than you do. If you think life is a straight linear graph, hell no. If anything, life has its peaks and valleys, and in the end, just remember, after every peak, you can always train yourself to reach the valley. Nothing is ever set in stone. Please remember this. This is not the only opportunity you have. There have been so many people all throughout history who have done very bad at various junctions of their life, but they've still managed to pull through. This is literally just one exam. चाहे ये कितना ही important exam हो, it's literally just one exam. You still have IP MAT Rohtak. You still have GIPMAT. You still have CUET. You still have बाकी colleges के entrances. It's not over till you say it is. And most of the times जब तुम्हें लग रहा होता है कि shit मेरा exam बहुत बेकार गया, could be कि you are overthinking things. Could be कि बाकियों का भी बेकार गया हो. Could be you still managed to qualify for the interview. Could be कि you pass with flying colors or you barely get there. But it is never over till the result is out. So don't stress, Abhi. There is no point in stressing. But what you should do right now is be really proud of yourself. Surround yourselves with your family and friends. Only if it does not take a toll on your mental health. If they are persistent, हमेशा pressurize कर रहे हैं तुम्हें, make it very clear to them कि you don't know but all is going to be well, and know it deep in your heart all is going to be well. And by that I don't mean magically तुम्हारा किसी IIM में admission हो रहा है या फिर किसी top university में admission हो रहा है. Where all is well, I mean whatever is meant to find you will find you. Just know कि there is hope for all. Another thing that you should do right now, stop giving two shits about how your exam went. YouTube पे क्या कह रहे हैं? I mean, except this video, like give two shits about this video. Oh wait, video नहीं, तुम तो मेरे सामने बैठे हो. And go out to celebrate. And if you can't go out, order your favorite food. Hang out with the people that make you happy. Buy that damn chocolava. I know you like chocolava. I know you do. Because no matter the result, be so proud of the efforts that you've put in. देखो life में तो ups and downs आते रहेंगे, but if you are willing to celebrate all your ups, make sure you also celebrate all your downs. जब मैं अपना एग्जाम लिख रही थी, my father used to tell me something repeatedly, and that stuck with me. Whenever I was getting anxious, whenever I thought कि all is lost and मेरा वक्त खराब चल रहा है and कि I am scared of the results, there's this very famous श्लोक from Bhagavad Gita, कर्मण्ये वधिकरस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. This means मोटा मोटा is do your best and leave the rest. You have the right to perform your prescribed duty. You're never entitled to the fruits of its actions. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of these activities. But also, never be attached to not doing your duty. Bro, all this talking made me very hungry. चलो बताओ क्या खाओगे? Loki bro, I was craving something like fettuccine pasta. कुछ और बोलो, मेरे पे पैसे नहीं है. कंजूस कहीं की. तुम पे नहीं है कुछ तो लाइक पीने के लिए भी कुछ भी चलेगा. ब्रो, कोल्ड ड्रिंक तो होगी ना तुम पे? ओके आई गेस. ये क्या रिक्वेस्ट है? ऑनेस्टली मुझे थोड़ी प्यास लग रही है. आई थिंक फ्रिज में फैंटा तो होना ही चाहिए. लेट्स चेक. तो where was I? देखो अब there is no point in fretting about what has happened या फिर क्या होगा. All you can do is focus on the next one. You only achieve greatness if you chase risks this high. Be very proud of yourself and above all, be super happy. तुम्हारा एक बहुत important and draining exam खत्म हो चुका है. Well, 1 out of 5, 6, 7 that is. But it's fine. First वाला भी हो गया. Woo! And let this be the last video that you watch today. Okay? No more anxiety. And as always, don't forget that you are the main character of this story. Like, तुम literally अभी एक NPC से बात कर रहे हो, you know? अबे भाई, क्या बोलती रहती हो तुम? ये वहाँ पे क्यों खड़ी हो रही हो? अबे पागल है क्या ये? What the hell?